Have you ever faced a door slammed shut in your face, only to find it was the best thing that could have happened to you? Well, today we're diving deep into the art of turning the tables on rejection, inspired by none other than the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius. Imagine you're in a world where every no doesn't push you down but propels you forward. Rejection, a word that often brings a sting, can become your stepping stone to greatness. It's not about tricking fate, but understanding that sometimes the universe's no is a hidden yes to something greater. So are you feeling overlooked, ignored, or undervalued? It's time to flip the script. In this video, we'll unpack 13 powerful lessons that teach you to harness the power of rejection. We're not just talking theory, these are practical, real-world strategies that you can apply in your daily life. Before we jump in, let's make sure this wisdom reaches as many as possible. Hit that like button and ring the notification bell. It tells YouTube you're finding value in what we're sharing. Now let's get started on this transformative journey together. Ready to turn your rejections into your greatest victories? 1. Ignore them. When life hands you the cold shoulder of indifference, don't shrink back, rise above it. Ignoring those who ignore you isn't petty. It's a powerful statement of your self-worth. Imagine this: someone decides you're not worth their time. That's their loss, not yours. By choosing not to engage, you're saying, I am worth more. It's like turning a mirror toward them, silently reflecting their behavior and showing then you're unaffected. Now, how do you do this without losing yourself in bitterness? Simple. Focus on your life, your goals, your happiness. Dive into activities that enrich you, be it reading, sports, learning a new skill, or just enjoying the company of those who do value you. This isn't about getting back at someone. It's about reclaiming your energy and investing it where it matters. Sometimes it stings when someone ignores us, but instead of dwelling in that pain, use it as a catalyst for growth. Build a fortress of self-respect and let their indifference bounce off it. You're not just surviving their rejection, you're thriving despite it. This approach doesn't just show emotional maturity, it's a testament to your inner strength. Remember, your value doesn't decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth. Stay true to yourself and let your actions speak louder than their silence. 2. Don't react emotionally. Rejection can sting, making you want to react, to let your emotions run wild. But here's a secret weapon from the Stoic playbook: calmness. When someone brushes you off, it's tempting to let frustration or sadness take the driver's seat. Stoicism, a philosophy as relevant today as it was in ancient Greece, offers a different path. It suggests embracing a composed, thoughtful response. This isn't about suppressing your feelings. It's about not letting them control you. When you're ignored, instead of getting upset or seeking validation, take a step back. Ask yourself, why is this bothering me? Often, it's not the rejection itself, but our own insecurities that hurt us the most. Here's where we need to get practical. You're being ignored, breathe. Reflect on why this moment isn't defining you. It's just that, a moment. Stoicism teaches us to focus on our actions and responses, not on others' behavior. So stay polite, stay kind. If you feel like reaching out, do so with genuine concern, not expectation. This approach isn't about being passive, it's about being master of your emotions. It's recognizing that your self-worth isn't tied to others' approval. Your power lies in how you respond, not in how others treat you. That's a game changer. Adopting this mindset isn't easy, but it's transformative. When you master calmness in the face of rejection, you're not just handling a tough situation, you're growing. You're learning that your inner peace doesn't depend on external validation. It's a journey toward self-confidence, where you learn to value yourself independently. By doing this, you show real strength and resilience. And guess what? That's incredibly attractive. People are drawn to those who are self-assured, those who don't crumble at the first sign of indifference. So by staying calm, you're not just coping, you're thriving. You're becoming someone who can face rejection and turn it into a stepping stone for personal growth. That's the Stoic way. 3. Remove them from your mind. Rejection often leaves more than just silence, it plants a lingering presence in your thoughts. You keep replaying the moment, asking, why did they ignore me? What did I do wrong? It's exhausting. Here's the truth: they don't deserve real estate in your mind. When someone disregards you, the healthiest thing you can do is mentally release them. This isn't about being bitter, it's about reclaiming your peace. Think of your mind like a garden. Why let weeds of doubt and overthinking take root? Pull them out. Start with awareness. Notice when you're ruminating about someone who's already walked away. Then gently redirect your focus. Read a book. Call a friend. Go for a walk. Journal. Train your mind like a muscle. Choose where your energy flows. You are not obligated to carry the weight of people who've shown they don't want to stay. Freeing your mind from them is not erasure, it's liberation. By doing this, you regain control. You say, I choose what I think about. I choose who matters. And when you live from that place, you move lighter, freer, and far more focused. 4. Keep growing. Nothing responds to rejection more powerfully than growth. Let the silence fuel your progress. Every time you're ignored, you're given 2 choices: shrink or expand. Choose expansion. Go deeper into your passions. Get stronger in your body, sharper in your mind, more grounded in your spirit. Rejection doesn't mean you're not good enough. Often it means you're being redirected. So take the hint not from them, but from life itself. What could you be doing with this energy? Pour it into self-development. Take a course. Start journaling, meditate, exercise, build your skill set. Become so focused on your evolution that you no longer crave validation from those who walked away. And here's the best part. Growth is attractive. When you evolve, you draw in new opportunities, new people, and new energy that match your level. Those who once ignored you, they may notice, but by then you may not care. You're not growing to prove them wrong. You're growing to prove yourself right. 5. Protect your dignity. In the aftermath of rejection, dignity is your armor. Don't beg for attention. Don't chase what's walking away. It's not pride, it's self-respect. You teach people how to treat you by what you tolerate. When someone ignores you and you keep pushing, calling, texting, you're telling them your attention is cheap, that your time and heart come without standards. But when you step back with grace, you communicate strength. Silence can speak volumes. It says, I know my worth. I don't need to fight for your validation. This doesn't mean you harden your heart. It means you hold it sacred. You don't let just anyone hold it, especially those who don't see its value. So if someone makes you feel invisible, don't scream to be seen. Walk with dignity. Let your silence echo louder than words ever could. 6. Don't chase them. Let them go. Seriously. If someone chooses to ignore you, let that be their final say. Don't run after people who walk away from you with indifference. You're not a beggar for love. You're not a background character in someone else's story. You're the main character in yours. Chasing someone who ignores you doesn't bring them closer. It just takes you further from yourself. Here's the hard truth. The more you chase, the more they run. Not just physically, but emotionally, mentally, spiritually. And worse, you start to lose parts of yourself in the pursuit. Your confidence, your clarity, your peace. So stop. Let them wonder why you disappeared. Let them question your silence. Let them feel the absence of your energy. Because the right people won't make you chase, they'll meet you halfway. They'll show up without games, without hesitation. Real connection doesn't need to be forced. Your job isn't to convince someone of your worth. Your job is to know your worth so deeply that losing you feels like the real loss. Don't chase, replace. With growth, with joy, with people who see you clearly. With peace that doesn't depend on anyone else. 7. Own your narrative. When someone rejects you, it's easy to let their silence become your story. Their indifference doesn't define you. It reveals them. The mistake most people make? They internalize rejection like it's a reflection of who they are. But you're not most people. You're not here to hand over the pen and let someone else write your worth. Take the narrative back. When they said no, what they really gave you was a chance, a clean page. So write something better, something bolder, something so real it leaves no space for doubt. You don't need approval to be powerful. You don't need applause to matter. What you need is alignment with your values, your purpose, your growth. And that begins when you stop waiting for someone to see your potential and start living like it's already real. They might have overlooked you, fine, that's their story. But yours? Yours is just getting started. Every setback, every slight, every quiet door that closed in your face, that's fuel. That's the fire. That's the reason your comeback isn't just personal. It's purposeful. So speak your truth. Stand in your worth. Walk like you know exactly who you are, because you do. And when the world starts paying attention, you'll already be 10 steps ahead.
8. Level up in silence.
Stop announcing every move. Stop explaining your hustle. Stop giving the world front row seats to your transformation. Because growth doesn't need a spotlight. You're not building for claps. You're building for legacy. The truth? The loudest one in the room is rarely the most dangerous. Power moves are made in silence. Real growth? It's not flashy. It's discipline when no one's watching. It's saying Rio when it's easier to say yes. It's doing the work when motivation is gone and all that's left is grit. Let them sleep on you. Let them think you're done. While they scroll, talk, and waste time proving something. You're evolving, quietly, ruthlessly, without the need for validation. And when you show up, you won't need to say a word. Because the results will speak so loud they won't know how to ignore you. So stay low, stay focused. Let your silence shape the storm. And rejection is redirection. They said no, good. They ghosted you, even better. Because rejection isn't the end, it's a detour sign from the universe saying, not here, not yet. There's something better. We treat rejection like failure, like we weren't good enough. But here's the truth, rejection is protection. It's the universe pulling you out of a lane that would have wrecked you later. Missed opportunity? No, misaligned one. The job that didn't call you back? It would have drained you. The person who left you hanging? They weren't built for your future. You're not being punished, you're being positioned. So next time the door slams, don't beg to get back in. Build a better house. One with stronger foundations. One with people and purpose that actually see you.